Hey guys, Dr. C here. I'd like to welcome you to Organic Chemistry Laboratory at Nazareth College. We will be meeting in room 228 in Peckham Hall, and here's a quick tour of the lab. Over here we see the eye wash station and the safety shower, and on the other side of the door we see the fire extinguisher and the telephone if you need to make a call, and you see there the gas shutoff. As we walk through the lab, you see that there's hoods on both sides, and in each hood we have access to gas, water, and vacuum. Here we have a sink and a drying rack above, so if you had to wash glassware, you could hang it there to dry. And as we move forward through the lab, down here on the left we have our Rotovap, which is a place where we can evaporate solvent off of our reaction when we are done. And then down here in the corner we see the ice machine. So that's where you access ice. Over here we have our oven, and this is if we need to have dry glassware. So we wash our glassware and put it in the oven to remove all residual solvent and water. Over here we see our microwave. And so many of our reactions this semester will happen in the microwave. And here's our microwave vessel. So all reactions would go in there. As we move further down the lab, you can see that there's hoods, again, in the center, and whiteboard at the end for instruction. And over here we have our analytical balances next to the window. So there's 4 analytical balances that you can use to weigh your samples, and we should always keep them closed. Down here at the end of the bench here is our infrared spectrophotometer, and this is an instrument we'll use to analyze our sample once we're done synthesizing it. Another sink, and then here we have our prep room, and we can't see it in this view right here, but a little bit inside that door is our NMR instrument. And over here is a very important place. This is our waste hood. And so in the brown bucket goes all of our liquid waste, and in the white container with the cover, we have our solid waste. And one more piece of instrumentation you should be familiar with is this melting point apparatus. This is an instrument that we can use to measure the melting point of our products. In addition to all of the chemical waste that we put into the hood, here is a recycling, a regular garbage, and then we have this very special glass waste container. So anything you dispose of that is made of glass goes here. There you have it. That's the Organic Chemistry Lab at Nazareth College. Looking forward to working with you this semester and hope you find much success.